This Instagram page gains 250,000 new followers each month. They achieve this by sharing dark-themed motivational videos. They transformed a regular Instagram Reel page into a successful business and even started their own clothing brand. Now let me show you how to make these types of videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. We'll go through each step of creating these videos, starting from making the script, finding the B-roll footage, and editing the video to make it look great. I'll also share an exciting method to earn more money with these videos in the end, so stay tuned. But let's step back for a moment. All these videos actually have something similar. The first common thing is that they use a dark background, which gives them a cool and mysterious look. On top of this background, there's an AI-generated voice talking, which adds an interesting twist. These videos also use captions. These words help keep you interested and make sure you catch every single thing being said. So in summary, these videos use a dark and cool background, an AI voice, and written words to make sure you enjoy and understand what's going on. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Let's begin with the plan. We want to create the script using AI. Since it's 2023, we have access to advanced AI like ChatGPT. We're going to ask this AI to help us come up with 10 quotes about wolves, which are aggressive animals, so it lines with the theme of the page, which is a motivational theme page. You can also change the animal to something else if you want, like lions or eagles. So we talked to ChatGPT and asked it for these quotes. It gave us some nice short quotes about wolves, which is a good start. However, our goal is to make a slightly longer video, so we need longer quotes to match. So we got back to ChatGPT and asked it for longer quotes, but it got a bit carried away and gave us really long quotes, which might not fit well in the video. So we asked for medium-sized quotes instead. After getting all these different quotes from ChatGPT, you read through the quotes and choose the one you really like. It should sound good to you and aligns with the page theme. But there is another way to get these quotes just by searching on Google for lion-based quotes, for example, and you will get many websites that provide good quotes. Now, once you've picked the quote you like, just copy it from ChatGPT. After that, head over to 11 Labs. You'll need to make an account there first. Once you're in, you can create a special voice. Paste the quote you picked earlier into the generator on 11 Labs, but here's the cool part. We're going to tweak the quote a bit. We want it to feel like we're talking directly to the person watching, so they feel emotional and motivated. To make that happen, add an extra sentence at the end of the quote. For instance, you could say, "You've got a choice, either be a wolf or be a loser." Something catchy like that. Now, let's pick the voice you want for the quote. I suggest using the Adam voice because it matches this style really well. Once you've made your choice, hit the generate button. Let's give it a shot and see how it sounds.
A wolf's journey is a bit like how the moon changes shape. It moves through different times, just like we move through good and tough times in life. Like a wolf adapts, we also learn to handle changes and keep moving forward. You have a choice. Either be a wolf or be a loser.
This sounds really nice. We finished the voiceover part. Now we need to find some motivational music to play in the background. No need to worry, I already did the research, so you don't have to. If you look in the description of this video, there's a link to a TikTok account called Fonkface. On that account, you'll discover many different trending motivational songs that would go well with our content. Take your time and pick the one you like the most. Let's shift our focus to the B-roll footage now. To start off, we need to gather this footage, and luckily, there are numerous ways to go about it. One effective method is by exploring Instagram, which happens to be a decent place to find these kind of videos somehow. So the first step involves going into the Instagram platform. Once there, use the search feature to look for videos related to the specific animal featured in our video. For instance, animals like wolves or lions. By conducting this search, you'll uncover a lot of high-quality videos that can be incorporated into our project. These videos from Instagram's community offer a good quality of visuals that align with our theme. Now, we're going to talk about another way to get those videos. This method involves using special videos that you